What I'd learn instead of AI automation in 2026. Everyone's rushing to build an AI automation agency right now. If I were starting from scratch in 2026, here's what I'd actually learn instead. Skill 1. Sales. 1. Sales. Every AI tool in the world is useless if you can't get someone to say yes to it. Sales skill compounds across literally any business you build next. Skill 2. Cybersecurity. 2. Cybersecurity. As more of the world runs through AI systems, someone has to secure them. This field keeps growing specifically because AI is expanding the attack surface, not shrinking demand for it. Skill 3. Cloud and DevOps infrastructure. 3. Cloud infrastructure. Every AI product runs on servers someone has to architect and maintain. Cloud spending is projected to cross $1 trillion, and that demand isn't going anywhere. Skill 4. Creative direction and taste. 4. Creative direction. AI can generate 100 options in seconds. It still can't tell you which one is actually good. That judgment, that taste, is the scarce skill now. Skill 5. Storytelling and communication. 5. Storytelling. Executives across every industry keep naming this as the skill that actually separates people who get promoted from people who don't. It's the one thing AI genuinely can't do for you. Notice none of these are a specific AI tool. Tools change every few months, but sales, security, infrastructure, taste, and communication compound for years.